Now, when two diagonals and three sides are given. Exercise 4.1, when four sides and one diagonal is given. Here, this condition, when two diagonals and three sides. When two diagonals and three sides are given, how to construct the quadrilateral. So exercise 4.2, question 1, in that sub question 1, quadrilateral lift, L-I-F-T, and the given measures are L-I 4 cm, I-F 3 cm, T-L 2.5 cm, L-F 4.5 cm, and I-T 4 cm. So to construct the quadrilateral lift, let's draw the rough diagram first. Since it is a quadrilateral, so just let's draw a rough quadrilateral. Okay, and let's name the quadrilateral lift. So L-I-F-T. You can start naming the vertices from anywhere, but go in order. Like if you start from here, L-I-F-T. Likewise, if you start from here, L-I-F-T. Suppose if you are starting from here, L-I-F-T or L-I-F-T. But just go in order. Like that you can move, you can name the vertices. Now let's mark the given measures. Li, so Li is 4 cm, then if 3 cm, tl 2.5 cm, because three sides, so three sides are given. Then LF is a diagonal. LF is a diagonal, and the measure of this one 4.5 cm. Then next one IT is another diagonal. IT is another diagonal. So this is 4 cm. So now what is the condition? When two diagonals, so CLF and IT are two diagonals and three sides, 1, 2, 3 sides are given. So we finished the rough diagram. Then based on this rough diagram, now we are going to draw fair diagram. So before going to construct the quadrilateral, just let's discuss about the rough diagram. Now when I keep like this, so now you can see the triangle L. Now just you see LIT, the triangle LIT. And to draw the triangle LIT, are you having all the three sides? Yes, Li you have 4 cm, IT that is 4 cm, then LT is 2.5 cm. So in triangle LIT you have all the three sides. So you can construct the triangle LIT. Suppose if you keep like this, okay, if you keep like this, now the triangle LIF, triangle LIF. Are you having all the three sides of this triangle LIF? Yes, because Li 4 cm, IF 3 cm, then LF 4.5 cm. So we can construct the triangle LIF also. Suppose now I am keeping, now just you look at this triangle TIF. Triangle TIF or angle IFT, anywhere we can name like this. So now in this triangle, that is triangle TIF, are you having all the measures, all the three sides? Are you having all the three sides? You have TI, that is 4 centimeter, IF 3 centimeter, but you are not having this TF side, that side TF. So you cannot construct the triangle TIF first. Because to construct the quadrilateral, we will be drawing a triangle only first. Is it or not? So now directly you don't start to draw the triangle TIF. Don't start, because you cannot finish the triangle TIF. You are not having all the three sides. Okay. So now if you see like this, if you look at the diagram like this, the triangle LTF. Triangle LTF, and just check whether this triangle LTF, does it have all the sides? LF 4.5, LT 2.5. So again this TF is not available. So you cannot construct this triangle LTF also. So triangle TIF also we cannot construct first. Likewise, triangle LTF also not possible. But if you look at this like this, if you look at the diagram like this, so triangle LIF, triangle LIF, are you having all the three sides or not? So you can start the triangle LIF first. So let's draw the triangle LIF. Let's draw the triangle LIF. Okay. So to draw the triangle LIF, so let's start the base. Let's draw the base IF, because now we are going to draw the triangle LIF. To do that, let's draw IF 3 centimeter. IF 3 centimeter, 0, then 3. Join these 2 points and name IF, because now we are going to construct triangle LIF only. So IF is 3 centimeter. So now triangle LIF. So what is the next vertex we are going to draw? Vertex L. Now we are going to draw the vertex L. So from I 4 centimeter one arc, then from F, because to get the vertex L from I, are you having measure or not? From I, because here we drew the line segment IF. From I 4 centimeter, then from F also 4.5 centimeter. So let's measure 4 centimeter using compass. 0, 4, and take compass and measure this 4 centimeter. Now we are going to construct IL, that is from I. So on I, you keep the pointer of the compass on I and make an arc. This is 4 centimeter. Then from F 4.5 you should make. So from F 4.5. From F 4.5 centimeter, and from F only, no. So on F you keep the pointer of the compass, then make another arc. The arc has to intersect the previous arc. Now you are receiving the intersecting point. Correctly you point that intersecting point. So, and what is the name of this vertex? L. Then let's join IL, then join LF, join LF. Okay, now we received the triangle ILF. Now what is the next vertex we have to draw? We need to draw the vertex T. We need to draw the vertex T. Listen carefully. Now triangle LIF finished, LIF, and the next vertex T we need to get. To get the vertex T, see, to get this point from L, one measure is there. From L 2.5 centimeter, you can make one arc. Then see another line segment also coming, but this line segment coming from where? From I. So from I only the next measure. To get one vertex you need two arcs. Is it? You need two arcs. So from L 2.5 centimeter one arc. Then from where again you are getting? From I only, not from F. Because to get the vertex from F, are you having any length here? Are you having any measures? No. So from F you are not going to make arc. First arc from I 2.5 centimeter, then the next arc from I only, because you can see very well the rough diagram. To get the vertex T, you need two arcs, one from L and another from I. So now let's measure. Let's take 2.5 centimeter. Let's take 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter, and from where do you make this arc? From L. Because to get the vertex T from L only 2.5 centimeter. So from L one arc. From L you make one arc, that is 2.5 centimeter. Then to get the another arc, from where do you draw? From IT, because now we are drawing the vertex T. IT is 4 centimeter. This IT 4 centimeter. So let's measure 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And from where do you make this arc? 4 centimeter? From I. From I, you keep the pointer of the compass on I and make an arc. The arc has to intersect the previous arc. The arc has to intersect the previous arc. Now it is intersected. If you want to get proper intersection, again you go back, you extend this arc once again. See, now you are getting the intersecting point. How did you get this vertex T? How did you get this vertex T? From L 2.5 centimeter, then from I 4 centimeter. So now let's join. Now this is vertex T, no? Now join TF, join T and F, then join L and T. Then the vertex, the another diagonal also let's make, because the condition is two diagonals, no? From I only we made the arc. So now we received the quadrilateral lift, and let's write the measures, lengths of the sides and diagonal. LT is 2.5, then LF is 4.5 centimeter, then this IT is 4 centimeter. So now we received quadrilateral lift, LIFT, lift.